Welcome to this mountain light meditation, a journey into stillness, strength, and the quiet majesty that rises within you, just as the sun rises over the ancient peaks. As you settle into a comfortable position, allow your breath to soften. Let the world fall away for a moment. This is your time, your sanctuary. And this mountain before you is a mirror of your own inner landscape. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of dawn. The sky is still cool, painted with deep blues and soft violets. A gentle hush covers everything. The air feels crisp, pure, alive. You can sense the earth beginning to wake beneath your feet. Ahead of you, the mountain rises with quiet authority, a towering sculpture carved by time, wind, and silence. This mountain is not just stone. It is memory, endurance, and infinite calm. With each inhale, feel the cold, fresh mountain air filling your lungs. With each exhale, release any tension, letting it fall away like loose stones rolling down a slope. Inhale strength, exhale heaviness. Inhale clarity, exhale distraction. Slowly, your breathing begins to match the rhythm of the awakening landscape. Now, as the horizon brightens, see the first rays of sunlight spill across the ridges. Golden light stretches toward you, warm and soft, illuminating every line and edge of the rocky peaks. Shadows pull back gently as the sun climbs higher, revealing textures and patterns etched into the mountain's ancient face. Notice how the light touches everything without effort. It simply shines, and in its presence, everything becomes clear. Allow that same effortless light to touch your thoughts. Imagine a warm glow spreading through your mind, softening the areas where you hold fear, quieting the corners where doubt hides, opening the spaces where dreams have been waiting. Let the light sweep through you like a calm sunrise, slowly revealing your own strength, your own truth, your own steady presence. Feel your body grounded, rooted like the mountain itself. You are unshaken, unhurried, unmoved by the winds of the world. You are shaped by experience, but never broken. You stand tall in your own story. The mountain before you has weathered storms, seasons, and centuries, and yet it rises anew every morning, just as you do. Imagine now that you begin to walk along a narrow path carved into the side of the mountain. Your steps are slow and deliberate. The gravel crunches softly beneath your feet. The air grows warmer as sunlight spills across the trail. Each step brings you higher, giving you a wider view of the endless sky. With every breath, you feel lighter, clearer, more spacious inside. As you climb, you notice the world stretching far below. Valleys filled with morning mist, forests waking in waves of shimmering colour, clouds drifting gently around distant peaks. Everything feels peaceful, untouched, vast. You realize how small your worries look from this height. From here, nothing is urgent, nothing is heavy. Everything is part of a greater landscape. When you reach a small plateau, you pause. A gentle wind brushes your face, carrying the scent of pine and cold stone. Before you, the sun now rests fully over the horizon, bathing the mountains in golden radiance. The light feels warm, steady, supportive, like a hand on your back, reminding you that you are guided, held, and never alone. Take a deep breath. Let your chest open. Let your heart rise. Feel the sunlight collect in the center of your chest, glowing brighter with each inhale. This light is yours. It belongs to you, and you belong to it. It is the fire of your purpose, the warmth of your courage, the quiet knowing that you are meant to rise again and again, no matter how many times life pulls you into shadow. Now, imagine sitting at the edge of the plateau. Beneath you, the stone is warm from the sun. Around you, the last remnants of morning mist dance in the air like tiny silver threads. Above you, the sky expands into infinite blue. You feel open. You feel free. You feel spacious inside, as if the entire horizon lives within your breath. Let the stillness here seep into your bones. Let it soften your mind. Let it remind you that you do not need to rush. You do not need to force. Like the mountain, you rise naturally. You steady yourself naturally. You return to clarity naturally. Everything you need is already within you, waiting to be illuminated by your own inner sunrise. Take a moment here to reaffirm something quietly in your heart. I am steady. I am rising. I am becoming who I was meant to be. Let those words settle like sunlight on stone. As you prepare to return from this meditation, take one final look at the mountain. Feel its strength reflected in you. Know that this place, this quiet inner summit, will always be here, Whenever you close your eyes, whenever you breathe deeply, whenever you need stillness or courage or clarity, you can return to this mountain and its unwavering presence. You are steady, and your path continues with peace.